Yo, what is going on, guys? It's another day, another trade, another recap, and we are going to be doing this for a long time. So you guys know what to expect. We're going to go over the charts here, but we took a trade last night and it went out really well. It was very choppy, but it was chopped straight to our direction. So anyways, let's get into the trade recap here. So like I've been saying on the daily time frame, I've been wanting to see some rejection off of here. We've been having a really good push up. I want to see price retrace a little bit before we go up if we are wanting to go up for the long term, because we've taken out liquidity here. We broke structure here, so we need to have a bit more of a retracement on the higher time frame in order for us to go higher, to take out this high, this high, this high. So that's kind of where my bearish bias came in for 90% of the trades I've been taking this month. All my winners are all bearish. London session has just been very bearish this month. So that's where my bearish bias kind of came in. And then coming down to the 4 hour, we had the 4 hour order block right here, and we were in a 4 hour fair value gap, just lots of chop. So the fact that I was able to actually get a good trade here was pretty cool, because it was just a lot of chop and it was pretty ugly market conditions, to be honest. Down on the 1 hour time frame, kind of the same thing we're looking at. I'm gonna bar replay this quickly just because so you guys can see kind of what I was seeing. So coming down to this time frame here, we had liquidity right here. We had that 4 hour order block right here, and we had a 1 hour fair value gap. So that's what we were kind of playing in. And so I was thinking, yeah, we got some momentum to push to the downside. We have reasoning to go down. What I wanted to see was a sweep at this high, maybe a tap to the order block, and then we can make a move to the downside. Same goes for the 15 minutes. I'd just like to see price take out some highs, and then we make a nice little move to the downside. So I saw that we took out this liquidity, took out this high here, this high here. So we've taken out a lot of highs. It's just a matter of, are we going to take that top high? So we came up, swept up the top high, and then we kind of chopped up a little bit here. So what caught my interest was the fact that on a 3 minute time frame, we pushed down and broke structure on the 3 minute time frame. So once I saw that price was making a big push down, I was looking obviously at the 1 minute time frame, where you can see we had the break of structure, and before we tapped into the fair value gap, we broke structure on the 3 minute, and the 5 minute started looking a little bit promising as well. So that's where my confidence was yes, I'm going to get in on this trade. So I entered the trade right on this fair value gap here on the 1 minute time frame, and then stop loss was actually going to be touching the 4 hour order block, and then take profits were down here. I was looking at the 15 minute for take profits. So TP1 I just put right at this low here, which was actually perfect because it was a 1-to-1. And then TP2 was down here for a 1-to-2, which was just below this 15 minute low. And overall, I thought price would want to come down to here, which was the main hourly low. The main hour low / Asia session low. So I thought price was going to want to come down here. But like I said, I always just go for a 1-to-2 risk to reward. So that's just what my plan is. So I'm just going to stick to the plan and follow that. But anyways, so basically just sat here and waited. Price came up, tapped us in literally right away, and then just chopped. It was chopping so much, but we chopped down all the way and we took out our take profits 1 and 2. During this chop here, I actually started trailing my stop loss above these highs, and the reason why I did that is because of how choppy the markets were, as well as we took out this low here. And then once we took out this low, this is when I started once we took out this low, this is when I started trailing my stop, because I was okay, I'm not really willing to lose money today and I want to make something. So I trailed it to here, and then I trailed it to here, and then I trailed it above here, eventually to here, and then we took out take. That's the trade recap. Another day in the markets that we followed the rules, another day that we did exactly what we were looking for and did everything to the point. This is a 7th win in a row if you include 2 break-even days. Those break-even days did hit take profit 1, but I don't take partials. So anyways, we're on a pretty good streak. I'm just going to continue going into the markets with the same risk that I've been putting on. I'm not going to get overconfident here, because I'm expecting a losing trade soon here because of this long win. I can't be right all the time. So anyways, thank you for watching, guys. If you really like these videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and there will be a lot more videos coming out in the near future. And like I always say, I drop all my trades and what I'm thinking in my Discord. So feel free to join the Discord. The link is in the bio. It's 100% free. Anybody can join, and all I'm doing is sharing my experiences through there. So feel free to join, but I will see you guys tomorrow.